Hello guys, meet up here at SM North EDSA. Bali yung kinuha sa amin ni Sir is itong Limited Edition Asia Pacific, reference SSK046. Citro na din yung back nito guys, Jubilee strap, rotating bezel with date na din yan. Brand new original release basic ko, complete with box, manual hang tag and warranty card. Pwede din yan ship via Lalamove, same delivery day, payment first po tayo. Pwede ikaw mag-book or kami po kung saan po kayo komportable. Pwede din po yan ship via LBC through door-to-door or LBC pickup branch. Need lang ng minimum down payment. PM lang po kayo sa page namin, then sasagutin namin ng mabilisan lang yung mga inquiries nyo guys. Ayun lang guys, kung gusto niyo naman meet up, sabihin niya lang yung nearest mall na meron sa location nyo para alam namin kung kaya naming puntahan within the day para meet up agad tayo. So ayun, remaining balance ni Sir is through GCash payment. Ayun lang guys, thank you.